What are your favorite TV shows to take your mind off things right now?
We love a show called Schitt's Creek.
Is it Canadian?
It is Canadian.
Yeah. It's a Canadian show, and it is hilarious.
Yes.
It's something my baby sister, I'm the oldest of 3 girls, she got us into it, a couple years ago?
Yeah.
And yeah, we'll watch that, and we'll actually rewatch because you always seem to catch something, and the acting is just so good.
Yeah.
It's
funny.
It's funny. Yeah, you should check that out. The Office. So I get a lot of comments on this channel that I look like Pam from The Office, and I had never watched The Office. And so Jeremy keeps, for years, he's been like, Tara, we need to watch The Office. Every time he sees a Pam comment, he's like, seriously.
I'm like, Beasley!
So, we have 2 episodes left, but we skipped all of season 1.
That's
so
how I got her to watch The Office in the first place. It's like, if we can skip season 1, you won't hate Michael as much.
Yeah. Yeah, so now I miss Michael. Yeah, so it's funny. And that's, we're gravitating towards a lot of funny shows.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Another one we watch a lot of British television. So one of the funny ones that we like is Doc Martin. Now, this kind of is a dry sense of humor show, but if that's your thing, you will love Doc Martin. It is hilarious.
Great character development.
Great characters.
Yeah, great character. And then the Blacklist. So one of the actors, something Spade.
James Spader.
James Spader. It was on The Office, and that reminded us of the Blacklist, which we had gotten halfway through, I don't know, last Christmas? It's been a while since we watched it, and we're like, oh, we should watch that again. And so it's a fast-paced action drama. I don't know how to describe. You checked out of this whole question. The Blacklist.
The Blacklist. It's just, James Spader has a very distinct acting style, and he is just so good in everything that he does. I don't know. It just makes the show more interesting. If it was any other actor besides him, I would have stopped watching a long time ago.
Yeah. Miriam says, gotta watch the IT Crowd. Have I
yes,
watched that?
I have. No, you have not.
Okay,
I have watched
the
IT Crowd.
Yeah, maybe that's next. There was also remember that really weird, funky show we watched, and they had a smart house underground, and it was really
Smart House
out
Underground?
there. Yeah.
Oh, Eureka?
Yeah. Was it Eureka?
It wasn't on a Smart House Underground. It was like a government facility.
Okay, it was weird. It was
Eureka's
super
funny.
weird.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be a good one to rewatch.